take all night. Think I need a devil to help me get things right. Hook me up under illusion, 'cause this one is a little light. We sat around laughing and watched the last one die. I'm looking for the sky to save me. Looking for the satellite.
Where's Jason at?
Yeah, where's he at?
Jason.
Yeah,
Where's he?
where'd he go?
Where's it?
He went up the stairs a while ago.
He was supposed to be down here playing. He's supposed to be my bass man.
We need to get started on our project, so I don't know, let's just go get him. Jason?
Let's check upstairs.
I think he's upstairs.
Jason?
Yeah, you are. Hey, you up there?
Looking for him.
Where is he? Is he in Grandma's room?
The door's shut.
Jason?
Jason.
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's oh my god! What are you doing?
that's weird. Are we ready for the play or something?
Yeah.
Right.
How about we just leave and
What's that mysterious ticking noise? Kind of catchy. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Snape.
Satan?
Snape.
Satan?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is the wrong
Yes,
place.
bud. Oh. Hello there, boys and girls. This is Act 5 of Macbeth, and I think I'm going to, well, I'm the doctor, that's all you know, I should tell. I'm going to introduce the rest of the cast before we get started, so you don't get too confused. So there's the nurse,
Hello, boys.
and Lady Macbeth. Also there's Macbeth. And if I pronounce correctly, it's Seaton. Seaton? Yeah. Alright. And also we have Malcolm. Hi. Malcolm? Yes, you are. And then we have the loyal troops!
That's us!
Loyal troops, loyal. Good job. And then Macduff.
What do you do?
And yes, that's everyone.
Act 5, Scene 1, Day. Lady Macbeth and her nurse and the doctor are gathered in Lady Macbeth's room.
So what's the verdict, Doc? She's crazy!
I can't wash my hands of the guilt or the blood. Oh no.
Yeah, crazy.
Act 5, Scene 2, Day. Seaton, my enemies are coming. Fetch me my armor. Yes, sir. My enemies can't kill me until Burnham one moves. Not to mention I can't be killed by a man because all men are born naturally. Act 5, Scene 3, Day.
Okay, loyal troops, why don't we cut down branches from Brimmin Wood and carry them to disguise ourselves as we advance on Macbeth?
Good idea! I'll never notice the whole forest moving.
How is this?
Act 5, Scene 4, Day. Ah! Sir! Macbeth! Chuck has died! Chuck? You know, your beloved wife? Oh, well. We all die sometime, right? Oh no! Burnham Wood is moving towards our castle! Great Scott it is! destiny. Come on. Act 5, Scene 5, Day. Malcolm's army loses their disguises and the battle begins. Now Macbeth and Macduff have to fight. Guess what? I'm not going to fight you because no naturally born man can kill me. So ha!
Guess what? I was born by the Syrian section, so I'm going to kill you. So ha! I'm the King of Scotland! Curtain call! For Act 5. Yes. So we got again the nurse. Yay! The doctor. Yay!
Doctor.
Lady Macbeth.
Yay!
Sexy! Seaton.
Yay! Yeah, boy! I lost my eye!
Macbeth.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was clapping. Thank you.
Yeah! Woo! Malcolm. Loyal troops, where are you?
That's us! That's us! Woo! Ow!
And, well, Macduff. I'm the king! I finished it! Yay! And a round of applause for all of us! Yeah! Yay!